All right, guys. Yeah, be careful when you're driving, cause yeah, the cat eyes. If you have cat eyes where you're driving at, it will it will ruin your chassis. That thing's bent. It was actually bent worse than this. I tried to bend it back a little bit while the car was together. I can actually probably straighten this now that it's off. All the pieces are off of it, but it's never gonna be the same. I might be able to use this for something else, but here's a new one we got that we're replacing it with. But yeah, you hit a cat eye anywhere over 90 miles an hour. I mean, might even have to be, might even be 80 miles an hour. I don't know, but this was over 90. Probably right around 100 miles an hour. We hit this cat eye, and it tweaked this chassis worse than this. Like I said, I bent this back down some, and I really didn't notice it at first until I noticed the motor was kind of sitting off the chassis, because the size of this motor pretty much sits on the chassis right. You can see where it leaves a little mark. Oh, sorry. That's actually where the motor touches when it's sitting normally. And yeah, with that kind of cat eye we looked, and the motor was like sitting up a lot higher than it should. So this whole piece was bent down. The whole suspension was off. Everything was off. So we bent it back a little bit, and then we readjusted the suspension a little bit to compensate, and we did do a couple more runs. We actually hit 112 with the chassis bent, but yep, we finally got the new chassis in, so I'm gonna install that right now, and then probably go do another couple runs today or tomorrow, and we'll post another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.